Welcome back to another video, Cheesy Gaming. Today I'm going to show you a little something. So this is my world where I just do explosives and stuff. I just started doing it. So yeah, over there I set that on fire and exploded it and stuff. So I'm gonna show you. So I got a mod that makes TNT more explosive. So I'm gonna show you what happens. Oh, wait, I haven't put TNT in there yet. Wait, okay, TNT, and then. Oh, I see. Alright, hold on. Let me get the right thing. Dropper, dispenser, dropper. Oops. Alright. There we go. And the TNT takes a little bit to explode, but that's fine. Oops, keep on failing. Come on, there we go. Right, put the TNT in. Yet again, the wrong thing. Is it? What else could it be? Try dispenser, maybe that's it. I thought I already did it. I don't know. Maybe this is it. This might be it. Yeah, there is. Alright. Yeah, this is the right thing. Wait, oops. Let's do that. Yeah, look at that. Wow. You know what, guys? Hold on. And then flint and steel. Where is it there? Wow, it's even on fire. You know what would be really cool? This is gonna be cool. That way we have like a time set that we have to get out in a certain time. It's gonna be so cool. Alright, let's go. Alright. This place looks like it needs it blowing up. Must. Nope. Untouched. Oh wait, it is touched. Okay. Yeah, I already messed around with this place. How do I get out? Let's get out. Come on. There we go. And oh my gosh. I'm stuck. Wait, I have wood. There we go. Yeah, now we're out. Okay, let's find a different place to blow up. How about this place right here? Yeah. Nope, I already came here. Oh wow, it's still from the TNT. This place? Yeah. And okay, those set there. Like make a path back here. Or right into here. Okay. Come on, come on. This should be good. Wait, right down into here. And let's go. Come on. Get out, get out, get out. Come on, get out, get out, get out. Oh, oh, oh. It's probably way too glitchy that not all of it has gone off yet. Oh, wait, whoops. Oh, wow. Oh, no, that's just from that. Oh, wow, that's glitchy. Oh, it's not glitching. Let's get back up. Come on. Yep, that's glitchy. It's super glitchy now. Oh, wow. You barely even notice that's even there. Come on. Oh my gosh. Too much destruction. I'm just gonna stay in creative. I can't believe I got out of that alive. Even though I did lose half a heart. Everything's on fire. There's still TNT that hasn't gone off yet. Wow, wait, where am I? Oh. Wow. It's a lot of fire. Thank you guys for watching this exploding video. Wow, some of it's still going off. Like all the way from over here. Just wow. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.